A pre-sale that we talked about a month ago, month and a half give or take, was Maxi Doge over here, which is a hyper meme focused coin that is launching right now in the pre-sale. I think back then they raised about $1 million total. Right now we're sitting at 3.7, almost 4 million alone, for which you can get the hyper Maxi Doge coin, which then goes up stage by stage. In this case, in 2.5 days from now, the price goes up again. And while the price increases, obviously the earlier you get in, the more you can make. And until it launches, there is still some gains to make. There's some staking behind it, some things that might be good for you. Now, while most coins in crypto try to be mostly serious, right? Bitcoin is doing well, market is green, everything is building something. We've seen the success of Asta recently, which is sitting somewhere at 42 now at $1.17, launched at like 8 cents, went parabolic, went insane. And whenever there's money made in the layer 1 coins and new altcoins, money trickles into the lower categories and the existing pre-sales to get the next big thing. Now, if Bitcoin wants, to double in money, in valuation for market cap, that needs 2 trillion. That's a lot. If you want to double your money in a pre-sale, you usually just have to buy it, because on launch alone, with the different stages that are beyond it, that doubles that way alone. That's why I've been looking more and more into pre-sales recently, because if you have, let's say, $200 to invest in crypto, if you get a couple pre-sales, might be a better idea and a better strategy than putting it into Bitcoin. Because even if Bitcoin goes to $1 million, which I hope it does long term anyways, and you put in $200 at the current price, you then have 2,000. It doesn't really change anything. But if you get a pre-sale that does a 50x with $200, which goes then to $10,000, that would be a pretty big chunk. Does that happen? Nobody knows. But when it comes to memes and marketing, as long as the marketing is good for the meme and it catches on, things can go anywhere. Can you go full on Maxi Doge? Yes, you can. But we can read everything in here in detail. It's a meme coin. It's meant to be funny, not taken too seriously. And I like that. You know what you're getting into. It tells you 146 buyers joined in the last 24 hours. You can connect your wallet, select your MetaMask or whatever wallet you use. And then when you connect it, see the different options that are available. You can pay in ETH. You can pay on the Binance Smart Chain. You can pay in a couple other tokens as well. Or you can also buy it with card. The option exists. Let's say, for example, you want to click on buy with crypto, right? And then we simply select the Binance Smart Chain, BNB. We were to put in 1 BNB. That would give you 4,200,000 tokens almost, which means even at just 0.23 BNB, 0.25, something like that, 0.24, you get 1 million tokens, which means if it goes from the current price of a fraction of a cent to $1 after launch, that would be 1 million. If it works. Obviously, nothing in here is financial advice, but you get the idea. Things can go anywhere, especially when 25% is for the tokens that you can get, while 40% being for marketing alone. That's pretty good. 5% is also kept for staking. If you check out staking, you'll see 81% estimated reward so far. So if you have $100 worth of tokens, that times 81.81 gives you an additional $81 in tokens if you only have 100 of that. That's a pretty big deal, because that alone gives you like a almost 2x just by holding it. Not bad, not bad. For the roadmap, I mean, again, it's just funny. Stage 2, lunch and gym. Stage 3, PM Discord ops. Number 4, evening. Power through the final 6 hours of screen time. Close up Maxi Doge pre-sale with the max volume. Pre-launch influencers and PR blitz. List on DEXs and centralized exchanges. Future trading partnerships. All of that. Again, lighthearted, funny, simple to get into. It's not making you insane promises like, hey, we're gonna have a giant DEX with 5,000 people working on this. It's going to be listed everywhere. It's simply, this is funny. They also got audited. Everything in here checks out from both solid proof as well as coins sold. Audited, not verified yet, but all good. No issues found. Everything is safe. And for something lighthearted in crypto, something that keeps people going, it sits right there. Obviously, as it's based on Doge, Doge is still sitting in the top 10, right? $30 billion. Even if just 2% of the market cap in here, so like 600 million, goes into this, would be insane. Does that happen? Different question, but you get the idea. All I would say is, if you got any questions, leave them down below. Links also in the description. The X is mostly updates, how it goes, keep people engaged. And with that being said, you know how to get it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.